guys, it's me once again here to show you one more Hot Wheel that I am going to unbox today. This time this Hot Wheel is connected to this comic book, very famous, X-Men. Yeah. This time I'm going to show you one piece of Hot Wheels and one piece of this comic book that is very iconic. So guys, are you ready? So here we go. The iconic Hot Wheel that I am going to show you is this one, guy. Take a look. Boom! Yeah! Here I have the famous X-Jet. And this time I have the black version. Because in fact, let me show you something before unboxing this. Let me show you something. Because in fact, in my collection I have this one. Look, I have the blue version. The original blue version here. It's very cool, guy. Let's begin with that. It's super cool. And here we have these. This is the display stand. This is the display stand that actually we can remove, and we can put it here. We can lock the X-Jet. We can lock the X-Jet to the display stand here. Look, see? So like I told you, I have the blue version of the X-Jet. You see? The one that we normally loved, not normally, that we always love watching in the cartoon. You see? It's very nice with these red details here in the front part of the jet. See? So now I'm going to, like I told you, I'm going to unbox this variant. There is the black version of the X-Jet. Take a look. You see? The black version of the X-Jet. So let's unbox this little dude here. So first, guys, we have here the display stand. You see? This case is a blue display stand. Different from the one that I showed you before that was black. Okay, these, and obviously if you want, you can switch these in order to match the color of the blue one if you want. That's okay. That's okay if you want to. Okay, so this is a display stand, okay? And here we have this. We have the X-Jet. You see? It's very nice. And once again here we have this detail here. We have this detail here, the color of the cockpit. This is the cockpit here. And we have these two yellow spots here. That if you know the TV series or the cartoon series, they were like that with the blue version, okay? And here, if you put it upside in this way, we can see some details like the X-Jet name here. We have the X-Jet name here and other things, but I don't know. I love this design. I love the color, obviously. And it's very cool. It's very nice. Obviously, pretty similar to the blue one. And like I said, I have this display stand here. And you can put it here, in this part of the jet, and that's it. You see, here's the black one and here's the blue one. And if you want, obviously you can switch colors. You can switch colors of the stands in order to match the color of the jet. And actually, that's what I'm gonna do once I put these two bad boys together once again in my collection. I guess that's it, boys and guys. If you want to check more videos, don't forget to subscribe to your channel, Geek Workshop, and stay tuned because more unboxing videos are on the way. Okay. In the meantime, have a good day, guys. So long. Take care. Bye bye.